Okay, this is month 6 on my journey to monetization and my just experience on YouTube. This is for September of 2023. And this video is for my mommy channel. Here I reported on my YouTube channel. Okay, so we're gonna dive right in. In September, I made 8 long form videos and 4 YouTube shorts. And then on top of that, content with blogging, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I made 96 total pieces of content. So I'm averaging around 100, give or take, depending on the month. Okay, so we're going to jump right into the YouTube analytics. This is my worst month. I don't even have 1,000 views. Watch time hours 6.5, and I gained 1 subscriber. Now this is month 6, as I said, so let's do a quick 6-month recap. So let's go through my views, and this is going to be April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months. So views, April, 6K, 2.4K, 4.2K, 5.5K, 1.2K, and then only 761. Of course, the numbers above are rounded. I think it's easier to talk rounded numbers. I could say the specific number, an exact number every time, but I just feel like it gets muddled. Rounded numbers tell the story a little quicker and more simply. Now let's move on to watch time hours. 43.2, 14.1, 36.1, 45.7, 10.5, and then 6.5. Now, I do want to say these are watch time hours for my channel as a whole. So these are shorts and longs. Real quick, I'm going to put up what I figure out and break it apart. These are the hours for longs, and longs are only going to be in the months of July, August, and September. Okay, so here's these. Those watch time hours are the ones that are actually contributing to my journey to monetization. Now, let's go through subscribers real quick, starting again in April. Gained 14, gained 4, 13, 19, 4, and 1. All right, now back to September. Let's focus on that. Every single one of these numbers is the worst I've ever had. I don't know what happened. I guess these videos just didn't perform. Maybe it was the lack of YouTube shorts I did. I don't know. Maybe I was being punished for not doing shorts. I don't know what the deal is, but we can take a quick look down here. We can do the see more. Again, I don't love this because it's a mixture of my long and short content. Nothing obviously stood out as far as like watch time hours, views. We can add my 2 favorites. Let's do average percentage viewed. I mean, that one's good, but it's a short. So you know how I feel about that. And then average view duration. Again, it's shorts and longs. So you gotta, I can't look at it here. Let's go ahead and go to content and let's just quickly look at the long videos. Again, it was rough. Let's see more and actually see my specific videos. So let's go to content. All right, maximize your baby registry with a tight budget was looks like my best performer as far as views. Let's go ahead and add our watch time hours, and let's go ahead and add our average percentage viewed. So just looking at the graph, whatever this orange one is, it had some spikes. When to start, oh, you know what it is? When to start wearing maternity clothes. Again, that video it's done very well for me over time. Average percent viewed on that one is 90% is getting viewed. Now, there were only 6 views, but they watch it. They watch almost the whole thing. People get into it. I don't know why. And if I remember correctly, that's literally the first video I ever made. So I don't know what I did right there. I need to rewatch it again and again and try to figure it out. But it's got great average view duration, great click through. I wish it had better views. And then, it's doing good for watch time based on the small number of views. For example, look at this one right below it. This one has 0.3 as far as watch time hours. This one has 0.2, but look at the views. This one has 48 views. This one has 6. 6 views are beating 48. That's crazy. Again, that dad one, great average percentage views. The people that are watching it are watching the whole thing. Again, like it's 5 minutes and 49 seconds and people are making it to 5:44. That's almost the entire video. Click-through rate is solid. That is solid. We'll take that. But again, it's only got 2 views this month. We need more views on these good performing videos. Okay, this one I believe is a fresh one. So this was an August video, end of August though, to be fair. So we're in September. But it got 87 on the average percentage viewed, but it only got 1 view. So that's killing me. The ones that are doing well are getting fewer views. Okay, so I think that's it as far as like my main videos. Shorts, I don't have much to say there. It's not that interesting to me. None of them are standing out or doing amazing. Okay, I think we're gonna wrap this one up. We're gonna keep it short. Those were my 6-month numbers. This is my first YouTube channel, my mommy channel. It's first ever YouTube channel. I'm learning, I'm growing. I am trying to get better and better each and every month. This month was a slump though. It was not good. So hopefully month 7 will put us back on the rise. If you want to check that one out, that will be October of 2023. It'll be coming up next on the screen. If you can't find it there, check the description or check out the playlist in my YouTube channel. And there you will find my entire YouTube journey to monetization with my first channel. All right, so check it out. Tell me what you think. And I hope to see you back for more. Have a great day.